Creating your free account is super simple. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video, and then you will find a video very soon that talks about where everything is so you can get orientated on it. So you've come to this page. All you're literally going to do is you're going to type in your email address. I'm going to just put my disposable one in, and you're going to go click here. It's going to ask you some questions. Answer them however you want to. Then we're going to go next. What is your email address? So this is your login email address. So I'm going to use the same one because all my other email addresses are taken. And I'm going to go submit. And now what's going to happen is you're going to go to your email. There's going to be a link inside your email. So let me just pause the video and open that email. So you're going to have this email come to you. All you're going to do is you're going to go click on this confirmation link. And there you go. You can put in your details, including your name and your password. And you're going to confirm you're not a robot. And you're going to go save. All right. So now we are in. That is as simple as it is to set up your account. Now let me show you how to install your template and get it going.